Kani kadeka Pati CTV.
Hanen gasngi ka arpwai trek unopra. Kawai neki Seng Tremon Sobha ka banak ni nong ba Shillong. Ka yang rasong Sports, Social and Cultural Club Shillong. Kala pelong ya ka pre-advance Christmas musical concert. Hasuso Tham Auditorium Shillong. Hakani ka jing Rakhe la pani po ipeng ya ka jing elang. Da ka jing simanta jong ki khna ki bana ka AW Thomas Children Girls Home Orphanage ka bala khmi da KGP Assembly. Haloran san kini ki khna hanen ka janmien kila simanta hakba ai jing roi Christmas bala prangkhre karpang bat ke jing la ka drama ki batho bat ke jing Rakhe ya ka Christmas hakani ke jing Rakhe laidan langru menteri sarkar bakmi ya katnat arts and culture ba roni viling do bala long kongsan kat bau menteri sarkar barem ba al hek long sembot kongsan ki wai pat ki balaidan lang hakani ngi ki kentop yo deputy commissioner jong East Castles district ba Peter as Dhar bat ashwa ban sedang ya kini ke jing Rakhe lupa ya ka Christmas layo ro ka khubor Christmas bat ke jing duai now Reverend Ruben G Lalu.
know that your baby boy will give sight to a blind man? And maybe that you know that your baby boy will calm the storm with his hands? Did you know that your baby boy has walked where angels fly? When you kiss your little baby, you've kissed the face of God.
Kani Gadega Batisi TV.